In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change wallpaper in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, click on open to continue. Now, by the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please locate with the option called personalization. And under the personalization, you can see there a first option which is background, which contains the background image, color, or slideshow. So from here, there are different ways on how to change the background or the wallpaper of your windows. All you need to do is you need to navigate here, click on this down arrow key, and if you'd like to set a picture, okay, for your background image, just select for the picture and it will show you the picture here. Okay, the recent images that is being used. You can also click on browse photos, and in that way you would be able to see a location where you can select your photos or images. Okay, just select or choose the image that you would like to set as your wallpaper with and click on choose picture. Okay, and in that way, when you minimize the window, you have successfully set it as your background or wallpaper in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Another way is that you can click on this down arrow key and choose solid colors as your wallpaper as well. So it will have you a list of background color or solid color that you can choose on. Okay, just select any of this. When you tap on it, when you minimize the window, you will be able to set a solid color here in your wallpaper as well. Another step is that when you click on this down arrow key and you can also select slideshow, all you need to do is you need to browse a picture, okay, from your album for slideshow. Just click on browse, and in that way, you just have to navigate to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Just select the file folder and click on choose this folder, and in that way, you would be able to change your picture depending on the hour or minute that you have set here. It could be a day, 6 hours, every 1 hour, every 30 minutes, every 10 minutes, or every 1 minute. Okay? So you can also shuffle the picture order, and in that way, you would be able to change the wallpaper depending on the arrangement of the picture that is being set in your wallpaper or in the file folder that you have just set. When you click on this down arrow key, and you can also choose Windows Spotlight. Okay, just choose that, and in that way you would be able to set Windows Spotlight here as your wallpaper. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.